Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have Burgundy slim fits dress shirts. This is the Kenneth production, Unlisted. $32, $33, 14, 14 and a half, small. With all these needles. It's long dress shirts. Alright. There it is. Buttons here. Buttons down here. Alright. Here's the top. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.